In the world of cooties, I'm sure there's some parents. "Hey, don't touch that." As if we know where stuff is coming. So anyway, this one will have a things go well. This is what this is. This apples are giving me a little bit of trouble with the soft skin, but
That's so cool.
and then one on there.
Grab some of that. Oh, they are good. Our friends grabbed some, so they're super juicy. Those are really juicy.
Hold on now. So this is made for. Well, I mean, you think that's juicy? I guess is what it means. So this is made for potatoes.
Okay.
What are we talking about?
That's a big hornet.
Yeah, there was a.
Oh yeah, that is a hornet.
I should know the name of that too. Yellow, black-faced, and that's something else. I think. It's another
So
variety.
many yellow jackets. It's not a bee here, it's a yellow jacket.
Seriously?
Got away from you.
No, they're so flippin' soft. They're really edible, but damn, they are soft, and they just tear right off the forks.
Huh.
It's just not hard enough. I'm sure it has to do with
These
the
if you want now.
something with the
They're amazing.
weather, rain.
Oh, look at that.
That's much better. All right, now
Oh,
try that.
it's like sushi.
for? Looks like turkey.
Oh,
Okay, Gracie.
Oh, that's so